Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to talk about Cesim marketing. And Cesim marketing is just part of Cesim. We have the Cesim Global Challenge, we have Cesim marketing, we have Cesim Bank. In my last video, I talked about Cesim Bank. So today we are going to talk about Cesim marketing. And if you need help in Cesim marketing or any other Cesim simulation, you can just text me on the email on the description or on that WhatsApp number. Thank you. So straight we go. We are in round 2. It's practice round 2 of the simulation. Okay, so first of all, we just have the overview of results. Now these are results for the last round, which was practice round 1. So what are we going to do? The first step is to go to decisions, and remember that just a minute. Okay, after going to decisions, you can clearly see that after going to decision, you can see that we have the tutorial, just as usual as a normal Cesim. Then you have the something called the marketing conditions. Another the marketing condition is just now the what we call in the Cesim global challenge as the market outlook. So the marketing conditions, we are being told that the total smartphone sales are expected to grow rapidly in both markets. A high level of price elasticity in the low-end segments, combined with the increasing number of features in cheaper models. And then we are being told that the estimated growth in Asia is even more promising than Europe, meaning the demand in Asia is greater than that one in Europe. And then also we are being told that demand in Asia remains clearly dominated by the high-end segments. In general, companies should be able to create more demand by offering new, more advanced models. This means that maybe we should advance our technologies so that we can be able to cope up with the demand. And that's it. And then the finance market becomes more cautious and less inclined to take risks. Interest rates for startups are seeing double-digit increases, with businesses being hit whenever they run out of equity. So that's what we're being told under the marketing conditions. And before taking you through these Cesim marketing, we have this graph here. The first one is for, we only have 2 markets at the moment, that's Europe and Asia. So the first market is Europe, and then the second one is Asia. We all of them have different graphs. So at the moment, you can see that you have the particulars, sales of last round and the sales in this round. Then you have the settings. This now you have the administration cost. We have also the administration cost per product. We have the price of the market study. We have the tax rate. We also have the cost of production line for a new or modified product. We have supplier debt. We have minimum level of liquidity. And then we have interest on loan in the last round. And then we have the bank account interest. So that's it about the marketing condition. The second part that I'm going to take you through is the product part, which is the products department. Under the products department, we have the product details final round. We have the Europe and the Asia, both of our markets. So you can see maybe we have here the segments. We have Ocha 1 or Oka 1. We have Pro High Range 2. We have Wings 2. We have Wings Phone. We have Phone 1. We have High End Pro. We have Thanos. We have Performance Phone. We have many of them. So at the bottom, you can see you have the product portfolio. This now whereby you have our products, product for maybe for each. You have the Ocha 1, we have the product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5. So Europe has 5 products. When you go to Asia again, Asia has 5 products, and each product comes from maybe different or a different segment. These are just the table that's showing us the battery of the automobile, or the battery of our product over the performance. So you can see that maybe when the performance increases, or when the battery percentage is high, the performance also it's also high. So that's it that we can learn here. Then the next part is markets. In other markets, we need to make decisions for our target market, the design, we have the performance, we have the battery life, we have the unit variable cost. So here we have the price part, whereby we need to make decisions for the selling price. Also we have the unit variable cost, we have the advertising, how are we going to advertise our products so that buyers can buy. Maybe we have the sale forecast, maybe the number of products that we are forecasting to sell. Also we have the advertisement, and then we have the professionals and the professionals top of the line, and these the individuals by top of the line. So that's it for our first product. Also for our second product, we have the same thing. The price, you need to make decisions for the price, for the advertising maybe, so that customers can be able. Same as to Asia, we have the same. We have the products here, we have the price. If you want to make decision for this, you just go there and then you tap at the price, and then you'll be able to make the decisions. Down here I have the distributors, you have the market size, maybe part of the market share, and then you also have the margins. The next part is the customer service, and under the customer service we have something called extended warranty, maybe the warranty of our products. So here the length of warranty at the moment is 6 months, and the cost of provisional guarantee for maybe our first product you can see is 2.3, the second one is 3.5, the third one is 3.7, we have 3.4, we have 3.8 for the fifth one. Then you have the investment in repair quality. For tower N we have invested 2,000, for tower N minus 1 we have invested again 2,000, and then we have the repairs for Europe and Asian market. So the marginal repairs you can see for us is 30% each, and then the sales forecast is 1,300 each. So that's it about customer service. The next part is about R&D, and under R&D you can see that you have the R&D costs, they are in K. So that means is the performance you can see is 4,500. This means that it's 4,500,000. The battery life is also 4,500, so it's 4,500,000. And then you have these two tables here for the performance and the battery life, and then we have this one again. So when we go to the list of decisions, now this is now where we need to update our decisions. And for our company you can see that we have the net result of the round as 187,605. The valuations in sale is 1,733, and that's a very good move at the moment. So if you need help in Cesim marketing or any Cesim simulation, you can just text me on that email and I'll help you out. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.